Very good morning, children. So today I'm here again, and we are going to discuss about the earth. The earth, our homeland. So it is in chapter 14, which is the last chapter of EVS also, is the earth, our homeland. So children, first of all, you know that earth is the only planet in which life is possible. Why, children, you know? Because of the air and water available here only, in this planet only, among the 8 planets which are in the solar system, in this planet only, as the air and water is available, so life is possible here only. Okay, so we are very lucky to be here, so we should protect it and save our earth. Okay, by how we can protect it? By planting more and more trees, to means not to disturb the ecosystem which is going on in the earth, which makes life possible actually. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we live on planet earth. It is the only planet in our solar system which has life on it, right? This is possible because of the air and water available here. It moves around the sun, takes around 365 days to complete one circle around it. Children, about this you will, after when you will go to standard 3, you will learn more about this. Only this much you know now, that the earth to rotate against, means if this is the sun, if suppose this is the sun, to rotate around the sun, the earth takes how many days? 365 days. But earth also means with it moves around its axis, in its own axis, like this. And it, how much time it takes? It takes 24 hours, means one day. Okay. So this is the rotation and revolution of the earth. You know this much only now. In standard 3 you will be knowing more detail. Okay. So it takes how many days? Now 365 days to complete one circle around it. The layer of the air surrounding the earth is called its atmosphere. One layer of air is there around the earth, and what it is known? It is known as the atmosphere. The earth is also known as the blue planet, as it looks blue from the space. It is because why? About 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. The earth's surface is about 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. So from space, when we watch our earth, it looks blue. So it is known, or it is also known as blue planet, right? Now here are the two boys, two children, one boy, one girl. Boy name is Pratham and girl is Kanika. They both are arguing about what, you know? They were arguing about the earth, its shape. The boy was saying that the earth is how? It is round like a ball. But Kanika was saying that no, it is flat. Because Kanika can see only a flat portion. Okay, but who is right? Pratham is right, because he is telling the right one, that earth is round in shape. Not actually round, means it is shape, how you know? Its shape is like an orange. You have seen an orange? Yes. So now we will discuss more about the landforms of earth. The landforms of earth are like plains, okay, plateaus, then hill, mountain, valley. These are the landforms. And water bodies, what are the water bodies? Pond, lake, river, sea, oceans. These are the water bodies. So we'll discuss little bit about this. Plain is what? It is a flat area of land in which it is very easy to grow crops, right? And to build houses, roads, as we are living in plains. But what is plateau? A plateau is a raised area of land with a flat top. Because of its flat top, it is also known as tableland. The Deccan Plateau, lying in the southern part of India, is a very large plateau. Okay. Now hill. What is hill? At some places land is naturally raised in comparison with the land around it. It is called hill, right? But what is mountain? A mountain is a piece of land which is much higher than the land around it. Mountains are higher, steeper than hills. A group of mountains means where so many mountains are there, it is known as group of mountain, and this group of mountain is called what? Mountain range. And what is the example of mountain range? The Himalayas in the India is a famous mountain range, means so many mountains are there in one row. Okay. Now what is valley? Valley comes mean a low area of land lying between two hills. Okay, lying between two hills is mostly shaped like a V or U. Very often a river or a stream flows through a valley. The Kashmir Valley and the Valley of Flowers are the two famous valleys in India. Okay, the Kashmir Valley and the Valley of Flowers are the two famous valleys in India. So now what is this Mushroom Bhaiya is saying to us? That what he is saying? The Mount Everest. Children, this is the highest mountain or the peak on the earth. Is a part of an Himalayan mountain range. It is a part of Himalayan mountain range, and it is the highest one on the earth, Mount Everest. Okay. Then comes water bodies. Water bodies are what? Ponds. Pond is means a land around it where some small water body is there, mostly found in villages and outside the cities. We found this ponds, right? Then lake is like a pond. A lake is also a water body with a land around it on all sides, but it is bigger and deeper than pond. One example of lake who can say in Odisha, it is very famous. Can you say? Yes, it is Chilika. Chilika Lake, no? In Odisha. Have you been there? Okay. Now, river. See, a river is larger than a lake. A lake is in the case of a pond or a lake. Water in river flows from one place to another on the land. River always flows, right? Then comes sea. A sea is very large water body that is often partially enclosed by land. The water it contains is salty, not fit for drinking. Mostly a sea is connected to an ocean. Mostly the sea is connected to an ocean. What is ocean now? Ocean is the big brother of sea. Okay, means it is same, but it is largest water bodies on earth. Okay, oceans. They are not enclosed by lands. Oceans also have salty water. They cover about 2/3 of the earth's surface, for which our earth is known as blue planet. Okay. Now this is all about this chapter, and the question answers and rest everything I'll be sending you with it. Please write it in your copy in very good handwriting, children. Go through the chapter. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me in my Zoom online classes. Okay, so have a nice day. Stay back at home. Thank you.